2021. Based on this result, it is not in line with the result Bahir et al. 2020 that shows that reward and recognition and supervisor support can engage employees for better performance. Wait.
You only left 1 minute, Miss.
Okay. Susah nih keluarin. Okay, thank you. Just enough, Miss Dila. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Saya izin stop ini ya, stop share ya.
Ya. Silakan. Ladies and gentlemen, now we are coming to the next presenter. Bapak Lalu Florian Yusuf, are you in from Telkom University? Bapak Lalu? Bapak Lalu, are you in? Okay, there is a name of Bapak Lalu. Then we skip. We are going to Ian Putri Wahyu Anggesti from Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta. Ibu Ian, are you in? Bu Ian? There is a? Okay. I will skip again. Next, dari Saka from Telkom University. Are you in, Pak Dari? There isn't. Okay, I will continue. Ibu Retni Pratiwi, are you in?
Yes,
Okay.
I'm here, Ms. Dila.
Okay, thank you, Ibu Retni. Ibu Retni come from Universitas Islam Kuantan Singgingi. The main presentation for this afternoon, the role of organizational culture in strategic planning to achieve Bank Riau Kepri Syariah performance. Okay, you have 13 minutes, Ibu Retni.
Okay.
And now time is yours.
Thank you, Mrs. Dila, for the time. I will introduce myself. I'm Retni Pratiwi from Universitas Islam Kuantan Singgingi, Riau. Yes, and my presentation in this time with the title, The Role of Organizational Culture in Strategic Planning to Achieve Bank Riau Kepri Syariah Performance. I would like to share the slide.
Please.
Okay. Can you see my slide, all of you?
Not yet. Not yet.
Not yet.
That the word manageable stress that
Now, can you see this my slide?
Yes, I do. I
Yeah.
can.
Oh, okay.
I feel
Okay, thank you.
your slide.
Okay, I would like to present my presentation. Okay. Yes. Okay. In introduction, I will start the development of a region. Yes, is inseparable from the role of various financial institutions, especially in this case banks belonging to the regional government. Regional government owned banks, or we know Bank Pembangunan Daerah, yes, play an important role of in providing capital for various community business in the regions, as well as being a source of regional income. Regional banks are closer to the people in the regions and reach more areas that are not covered by other conventional banks, such as BUMN, Bank BUMN. In addition, the regional bank is also a source of regional income, or we know with PAD or pendapatan asli daerah, who come from the profit from BUMD, ya, Badan Usaha Milik Daerah. So Bank Riau Kepri Syariah, ya, in Riau Province is one of the regional owned enterprise or BUMD in Riau Province. PT Bank Riau Kepri Syariah is currently moving forward in order to achieve a strategic role in the regional development process, namely increasing regional economic growth as a source of regional income, and then creating jobs, and then absorbing labor, reducing unemployment, and meeting and facilitating community needs. Okay. Yes, in order to increase the bank participation in improving the community's economy and increasing ease of access to banking of the people of Riau, Bank Riau has a business units, or we call it Kedai, yeah, Kedai Bank Riau, that are spread over almost all areas of Riau Province. These shops or these Kedai units plays a role in providing microfinance to small and medium-sized communities to support and increase the capacity of community business. Yeah. The existence of Kedai Bank Riau is expected to provide convenience for the community to access capital for their business. We have 3 points about this Kedai Bank Riau. Yeah, best performance, and then can compete with other banks, and then become a driving force for the economic development of the people of Riau. Okay, we can see in this slide, we talk about performance. We have 2 performance. The one is employee performance, and the one is organizational performance. Employee and organizational performance have mutual connect. In this employee performance, Bank Riau Kepri Syariah already has written rules regarding employee performance appraisal. Yeah, the name is Buku Pedoman Perseroan with Sasaran Kinerja Individu or SKI, which include the following: financial perspective, customer perspective, internal process perspective, and learning and growth, or we know with balance scorecard. In this site performance PT 19 until 2022. Okay. To achieve effective individual work goals, or we call performance, every employee of Bank Riau Kepri Syariah must be able to carry out organizational culture. Bank Riau Kepri Syariah have organizational culture, the name E-Share, yeah. E, integrity, yeah, synergy, honesty, adaptive, respect, and excellent. And about organizational performance, yeah, I would like to say the decline in bank income and the absorption of credit and financing, of course, must be corrected by the bank so that the number of customers who borrow is balanced. Therefore, it takes the right strategy, yeah, strategic planning to improve company performance. Research question in this paper: how does organizational culture influence, yeah, organizational strategy? And then what is the influence of organizational culture on organizational performance, and then what is the effect of strategy on organizational performance, and what is the mediating role of organizational strategy on the hypothesis. I have four hypothesis. We can see in this slide. Research method, population in this study was all of in Rio province, total 38 people. The sampling method used I use all of population, 38 people. The data analysis method used in the study, I use SAM PLS. Yeah, and the result we can see in this slide. Yeah, in this table. Okay. The influence of organizational culture on strategic planning. The PEC coefficient value is 0. In coefficient 0.36 and 5, and then p-value less than 0.001, and then significant effect, have a significant effect. And then organizational culture to organizational performance, we get 0.1, and then p-value 0.04 and 1, sorry, and then have a significant effect. And then in strategic planning to organizational performance, we have coefficient 0.409, p-value less than 0.001, have a significant effect. And then the last, organizational culture to strategic planning, and then to organizational performance, 189, and then p-value 0.002, and then get a significant effect. Okay. Conclusion, based on the result of the study, it can be concluded several things as follows. There are organizational culture plays an important role in the strategic planning process that exists at the Bank Riau Kepri Syariah. And then two, organization effect on improving the performance of the Bank Riau Kepri Syariah. And then organizational strategic planning has an important role in achieving Bank Riau Kepri Syariah performance. And then organizational culture has a significant effect on improving the performance of the Bank Riau Kepri Syariah through strategic planning as a mediating variable. Okay, I think that is my presentation, Mrs. Dila. Thank you.
Thank you, Ibu Retni Pratiwi. So insightful presentation today. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to the next presenter of this room, Adels Prima Mulia from Universitas Padjadjaran Bandung. Are you in? Pak Adels? Yeah, you are in the room. Adelse, how I call you?
Yeah. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Sorry, there's a trouble with the device.
Pak Adels will present about the family perception of nursing home management, a satisfaction study. Okay, it is interesting title. Time is yours, Bapak Adels. You have 30 minutes presentation.
Well, thank you so much for this opportunity. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Adelse Prima Mulia. everyone, ladies and gentlemen, can call me Adel from Universitas Padjadjaran. Well, allow me to share screen. Absolutely, this is our research about family perception of nursing home management satisfaction study. My team, they are Siti Mutia Kosasi from Universitas Prima Nusantara Bukit Tinggi, and also me, Adelsi Prima Mulia, and Fitri Yasmiardi, Dr. Siti Osa Kosasi, and Dian Rizke from STIA LPPN Padang. Yes, we are in collaboration in different institutions. Well, all clear, my presentation?
Yes, you can see, sir.
Okay, well. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin, puji syukur kepada Allah dan selawat kepada Rasulullah. Sorry, is this device a little bit disturbing? So, I'm so sorry for a while. Yes, everybody can see this PowerPoint?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Well, our study about family perception of nursing home management satisfaction study. Our content, this is our content. Yeah, we will share about introduction, research methodology, result and discussion, and conclusion. Introduction. We know that day by day, year by years, with a significant increase, it happened in the elderly. The government and the private sector continue to improve nursing home service for the elderly. In 2020, number of older adults will likely increase by 27 million elderly in Indonesia. And thus, we are residents of nursing home will be 870 people. We know that it's very significant number. So the government and private sector have to make something to the elderly. Nursing homes in Indonesia, we know that PSTW or Panti Sosial Tresna Werda or Panti Jompo. Nursing home have an important role for the elderly. The Ministry of Social Affairs said that nursing home provides services so that they feel safe and at ease with no anxiety or worry in old age. Nursing homes or social institutions can function as a substitute for the family in meeting in the needs of an individual, especially the elderly. Nursing homes are intended for the elderly as a place to care for, accompany, and care for the elderly or those who fall into the category of the elderly. Kementerian Sosial Republik Indonesia. And then we know that much more problem. They are initiation from the family in measuring satisfaction in management or in nursing home services or nursing home management is still relatively small. And the incentives given to social worker or the staff are also inadequate. Lack of supervision and family support for services and management from nursing home for the elderly, so some service need to be repaired and improved. In addition, the measure of family and user satisfaction with nursing home services is still invalid because family or user satisfaction with nursing home service is a measure of quality. So it is important to know how about satisfaction from the family, because we know that from the family, now that what the need from the elderly in the nursing home. So this is our methods. Absolute, this is a quantitative study as a descriptive method to describe family satisfaction with the management or services of the Sichinjin PSTW nursing home. This research was conducted at the Sichinjin PSTW, which was carried out from August to September 2022. In supporting this research, data were collected using the Ohio Nursing Home Family Satisfaction Survey, included admission, social service, activities, choice, direct care or nurse aid, therapy, administration, meals and dining, laundry, resident environment, facility environment, and general. This study conducted 79 families with elderly in nursing home. It's we using Likert scale 1 until 4 about satisfaction, and we have 45 items. I mean 45 items from the nursing home family satisfaction survey. After obtaining the total score or of perception and expectation score, the satisfaction level was calculated. So this is result and discussion. As on the table above, it can be seen that the average family age is 48 years old, and the elderly in the nursing home is 63 years. The most common ethnic group is the Minang tribe, about 85.2%. The most related to the elderly are the parents, 37.4%. The level of family education is mostly completed high school, 75.2%. Family visits to nursing home were mostly uncertain, 69.4%. I'm really sorry. This is have a table, but I'm forget to insert the table to this PowerPoint. So I will describe this table. Based on the table 2, the average of the 45 item in family satisfaction, the family is quite satisfied with the implementation of the management of the orphanage, but 9 items need improvement. So from 45 items, 9 items must be improvement. They are families don't feel satisfied enough, including staff giving clear information, and social worker follow up and responding quickly. The elderly can fix their room with personal items. Staff available to help them at another time. Administration available to talk with family. Phone place to talk with elderly in private. Public areas are quite enough. Facilities seem home-like and medical care facility. Is about 9 items. The family does not satisfying about their management and their service. Family satisfaction among nursing home management. Based on this research, families don't feel satisfied enough about their first time. The staff gave clear information. Families have the same expectation of the information service provided. Information that is clear, concise, and easy to understand, especially related to the issues of acceptance and administration from nursing home. The result of this study are also supported by other research that the average elderly family who place their elderly in nursing home is mostly satisfied with the facility, then are dissatisfied with the health service, activities, and privacy of the elderly. This information service is an important asset in an institution, especially government institution. Nursing home are institutions that the government manage. For this reason, it's necessary to increase access to information that is easy to get, such as social media, websites, or other media. Furthermore, the study states that the family is not quite satisfied with the quick response from the social worker in the orphanage. We know that the social worker is slow response. A quick response might be necessary in providing services to the elderly in the orphanage. Several factors hinder the lack of a quick response from worker. One is that the orphanage is quite large, but the resources are few. In addition to improving performance quality, leadership can motivate staff and provide regular guidance. Furthermore, the result of the study state that the family was not very satisfied with the administration process and some of the facility available in the nursing home. This administrative process is due to the unavailability of online access or application, so it's not to consist in carrying out administrative process. In addition, this research also show that aspects that make families satisfied are spiritual service, food therapy, care assistant, flexibility in the orphanage, physical activity, several public service, and several other facilities. The result of our studies show that families and the elderly are also very satisfied with the food service provided, as well as ongoing psychological and spiritual services in nursing home to improve the quality of life for the elderly. And conclusion, preliminary finding indicated moderate overall family satisfaction with nursing home management. Key factors influencing satisfaction include staff responsiveness, care quality, communication, facility cleanliness, safety measures, and organizational management. Areas for improvement include staff-patient ratio and family involvement in care planning and decision-making. The study emphasizes the need for staff training, effective communication channels, increased family involvement, and continuous quality improvement initiative. The results have implications for nursing home administrators, policymakers, and healthcare professionals seeking to enhance the quality of care provided in nursing homes, thereby improving overall resident and family satisfaction. Thank you so much for this opportunity, and ladies and gentlemen, attention. Thank you so much, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Mr. Adel, for your valuable presentation. One more presenter in this room, ladies and gentlemen, Ibu Hartati.
Ya, Bu, ready.
Are you ready? Okay. Ibu Hartati from Institut Ilmu Sosial dan Bisnis
Ada. Ya.
She will present the effect of compensation and motivation on the performance of employees of PT Pegadaian Persero, Cabang Parepare.
Yes.
You have 13 minutes presentation, Ibu Hartati.
Yes, Miss Dila. I permit PowerPoint.
Sure.
Miss Dila, you want help me to present task PPT because my laptop is error.
I'm so sorry. I'm not in the room anyway because I'm using handphone. My laptop is in
Okay.
in problem connection since morning. That's why I use handphone right now.
Okay, I'm at step. Sebentar, Miss. Saya itu dulu. Bentar. Next presentation Mawan, Miss. Nanti saya itu dulu. Halo. Nggak bisa soalnya.
Ya, Ibu.
Bisa next dulu aja. Udah bisa. Bentar, Miss. Bisa nih. Udah bisa.
Oke.
Udah. Views tampil, Miss.
Ada.
Sudah? Kelihatan? Oke.
Udah ada, Bu.
Ya. Thank you. I'm so sorry. Laptop my error. Okay. Thank you overall. Good afternoon. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Hartati from Institute Social and Business Andi Sabada from Parepare. In here, I did a presentation my research with title The Effect of Compensation and Motivation of the Performance of Employees of PT Pegadaian Persero Parepare Branch atau cabang Parepare. Introduction. Compensation and motivation are very important in improving employee performance. Compensation drives a person to carry out an activity in order to get the best result, while employee motivation needs to be raised so that employee can perform well. Given the importance of compensation and motivation in improving employee performance, research or interest in conducting research at PT Pegadaian Persero Parepare Branch. Exercise or PT Pegadaian Persero in determining compensation such as bonus. PT Pegadaian Persero use the key performance indicator system to measure employee performance achievement. PT Pegadaian implement payroll system providing compensation based on employee performance. The higher the work productivity of employer, the higher the compensation received. Yes. I'm so sorry. Basic concept compensation in the provision of service both directly in the form of money or financial and indirectly in the form of award Supomo Annual Hayati 2018. Next, Mosul Kuwait by Mangkunegara 2013, the needs are the fundamental, the elderly employee behavior. In the employee's need are not met, the employee will so lose behavior. Supadi and Anwar 2004, motivation in a state in a personality that encourage the individual decide the content activity in order achieve. Purpose. The purpose in my research, the determinant, the effect of compensation and motivation of the performance of employee at PT Pegadaian Persero Cabang Parepare atau Parepare Branch. Literature review. Employee performance, the several employee performance indicate put forward by Mangkunegara 2013, namely a complete according to direction, completing work on time, able to overcome obstacles at work, product satisfactory performance, and optimal work result according to the target. 2. Compensation from employee performance. Compensation in the form of salary, incentive, benefit, facilities, and company compensation system in the important factor that influence the informant and employer. And last 3, motivation employee performance irrevel all determinant work estimation complaint about competition. A framework, a concept in the my research, first compensation, 2 motivation, and next apply a performance. This hypothesis, how one, compensation and motivation have partly significant effect on the performance in employee PT Pegadaian Persero Cabang Parepare. And H2, compensation and motivation have a partly simultaneous affect the performance employee of PT Pegadaian Persero Cabang Parepare. A methodology. Serve first and population and sample. The population and sample of PT Pegadaian Persero use a ticker the people employee PT Pegadaian with use sampel atau sampel jenuh. Data collection technique menggunakan observation, interview, and penyebaran atau distributing questionnaire. Next, operating definition with variable compensation indicator, wage incentive, allow facilities and compensation system. 2, motivation indicator, the need for assessment, the need of affiliation, the need for competition, and the need of power. Variable performance, complete text as directed, complete as work on time, terus kepuasan kerja, kemudian target kerja, dan sebagainya. With a methodology, the analysis utilizes a quantitative analysis with multiple linear regression analysis method. A result, a dependent variable or performance. The coefficient table explains the compensation variable x1, the count 40 to 1 x9, and work motivation to 3117, which will be used according to part testing of the effect of compensation x1 work motivation x2 on performance. According to coefficient table 4.0 above 4.2 above the consultant of 0.453 in abstinent will at the competence coefficient B 0.929 and work motivation B 0.475. The output value above are the entered into the multiple linear regression equation below. Next, test analysis ANOVA, the function significant independent variable and simultaneously or jointly on independent variable. Testing hypothesis and manner simultaneously done by comparing 5 with F table. The test in the partial to analysis whether compensation and work motivation have significant effect and performance. Next, the result of coefficient determination and square in the square of R shown the coefficient determine the result was content the session how much the percentage of the independent variable was able to explain the dependent variable. The result of the analysis with the help of the SPS adjunct R square 0.913 measurement the effect of the variable compensation S1 and work compensation, and performance is 91.3%, while the remaining 8.7% influenced by other variable is not included in the study such as the shift, reflect, workout, work and Next, in conclusion, based the analysis of the data that has been done and the discussion path for what is can be concluded that simultaneous competency and work motivation affect the performance of employee of the PT Pegadaian Cabang Parepare. This also by the result of testing the hypothesis test F, where if count of table and significant then participant compensation affect the performance of employee of the PT Pegadaian Cabang Parepare, the evidence by the result of testing the hypothesis the where to count a bigger the table 4.289 bigger 2.2 take 0.51 and significant will apparently work motivation influence employee performance at the Pegadaian Cabang Parepare the indicate by result testing the hypothesis. And significant. Based on the coefficient determinant is known that effect of variable compensation and work motivation and performance. when the remaining influence by other variable is not included in the study, such as leadership style, reward, workload, work environment, and stamina. Thank you. I think enough my presentation. What are the leave or moderator? Miss Dina, Miss.
Thank you, Ibu Hartati. Nice presentation. Ladies and gentlemen, there are 4 presenters. They have presented all their research topic for today in the first session. I will open the question and answer session. Anyone?
Miss,
Yeah.
yes. Saya belum presentasi.
Sorry.
Yes. I'm not presentation.
No. Ibu
Not yet.
Ibu siapa, Maaf?
Farida juga
Julian.
belum, Bu.
Oh iya,
Julian.
ini baru sesi pertama, Ibu.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh.
I'm sorry. I think
Iya,
it's
karena
Miss.
ini kan
Okay.
mestinya ada
Saya
11
sesi pertama
orang.
ada.
Mestinya
Oh,
ada
iya,
11
iya.
orang, tapi karena 3 orang nggak ada tadi, jadi saya mundur ke bawah. Tadi sudah ada, sisanya kan 8. Jadi saya buka jadi 2 sesi saja, Ibu. Jadi nanti Bu Farida di sesi setelah tanya jawab sesi pertama ya, Bu.
Padahal kalau kemarin itunya saya sesi yang pertama ya, Bu ya.
Ibu
Kalau
namanya
saya misalnya
siapa,
ada
Maaf?
keperluan gimana nih nanti?
Ibu namanya siapa?
Farida.
Ibu Farida di sesi kedua, Bu.
Kedua, masa sih?
Setelah ini.
Jadi
Ibu
ada
Farida
istirahat
sesi
dulu.
kedua. Bukan istirahat, Ibu, tanya jawab.
Oh.
Jadi 4
Kalau
presenter
kalau
tanya
lihat
jawab,
ya.
habis itu 4 presenter tanya jawab.
Oh, soalnya kalau saya lihat di jadwal ini tidak ya. Udah silakan aja Mama, Bu. Silakan, Bu.
Okay, I will open the question and answer session for all the audience in this room. Any question for Ibu Indah, Ibu Retni, Bapak Adels, or Ibu Hartati? Anyone to address question for our presenters? Anyone? Question? Okay, maybe I will address the question because there isn't question from the floor. I will ask all the presenters, what is the novelty of your research? Because this topic research, I think is so popular for each of field. So maybe you can mention what is the novelty of each research. That's my question. Untuk Ibu Indah, Ibu Retni, Bapak Adels, dan Ibu Hartati.
Is novelty. I will answer. Yes, Miss Dila.
Yes,
Is
please.
novelty in my research about ini. Boleh pakai bahasa Indonesia, Miss Dila?
Boleh, Ibu. Boleh.
Izin ya, izin pakai bahasa Indonesia. Untuk ini saya mendapatkan bahwa dengan adanya sistem yang ada di Pegadaian, kan ada sistem namanya itu apa tuh, kayak kalau tidak bagus kinerjanya itu tidak akan mendapatkan bonus, itu secara sistem. Itu ternyata mempengaruhi terhadap performa kinerja dari pegawai 30 tadi yang saya ambil sampelnya. Jadi dengan adanya sistem manajemen yang bagus itu dapat meningkatkan motivasi para karyawan untuk meningkatkan kinerja, dan di samping itu ada bonus reward berupa kompensasi tadi. Seperti itu dari teman saya. Ibu.
Okay, okay, thank you Ibu Hartati.
Yes.
For another presenters. Anyone want answer my question?
Okay, well, thank you so much.
I
So,
answer.
please, Miss Retni. Mrs. Redney, please.
Oke. Silakan Mr. Adels.
Okay. Well, thank you so much. I will answer the question about what what the novelty of our research. Yes, of course. The novelty is we see for different satisfaction. Others see staff certificate, resident or elderly satisfaction, and now we see a family satisfaction with the more variable, because this is a new, it's different questionnaire. So I think its questionnaire is very complete because you can see more variable from the administration, from facility, from many others. They are, yes, I have tell before, admission, social service, activities, choice, director, therapy, administration, meals and dining, laundry, environment, facility in general. So with this questionnaire, we can see the satisfaction from the other side, especially from the family. So with involving the family, we can see what we have to improve, what we have to increase the management in the nursing home, what we have to increase the management in PSTW. So this is involving family is our new novelty, I think. Thank you so much.
Okay. So interesting, Mr. Adels. Okay, anyone?
Okay,
Want to-
Miss Dila.
Yes, Ibu.
Okay, I will try to answer the question about the novelty in this paper. Pakai bahasa Indonesia boleh, Miss Dila, izin. Oke, jadi keterbaruan dari penelitian ini adalah yang dimana penelitian sebelumnya itu yang saya dapatkan bahwa terdapat pengaruh antara penerapan budaya organisasi terhadap kinerja, peningkatan kinerja karyawan, dan nantinya ujung-ujungnya adalah kinerja perusahaan. Nah, sedangkan dalam penelitian saya ini saya meletakkan strategi organisasi sebagai mediating. Nah, itu yang pertama. And then yang kedua, saya menggunakan indikator-indikator pada variabelnya ini adalah yang memang diterapkan atau yang digunakan di Bank Rio Kepri Syariah ini. Contohnya pada variabel budaya organisasi, saya menggunakan langsung indikatornya itu adalah budaya organisasi yang diterapkan di Bank Rio Kepri Syariah. Begitu juga pada variabel kinerja, itu juga penilaian kinerja untuk Bank Rio Kepri Syariah. Dan sedangkan pada strategi adalah juga strategi-strategi yang pernah dilakukan, ya, sehingga terlihatlah apakah memang ada pengaruh antara budaya organisasi terhadap kinerja dan dimediasi oleh strategi organisasi, yaitu tadi kedai-kedai tadi. Jadi kedai-kedai dari cabang-cabang lebih pelosoknya tibanya gitu ya dari Bank Rio Kepri Syariah itu. Mungkin itu yang dapat saya jawab. Thank you, Miss Dila.
Thank you, Ibu Retni. Okay. Anyone else? Bu Indah? Okay. If there is another question, we will start for the second session of this room. The next presenter, Farida Yuliati from Universitas Sangga Buana Bandung. Ibu Farida will present quality of human resources, determination of work target, and sustainability of the realization of performance-based budgets. Case study on official travel budget in Immigration Division of West Java Regional Office. Ibu Farida? Ibu Farida.
Thank you. Okay, thank you, Mrs. Dila Davita. Okay, thank you. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, allow me to present the result of our research. Okay, share my screen. Do you see my PPT?
Still ongoing. Okay,
Okay.
done.
Okay, done. Okay. Okay. Just for a minute. Just for a minute. This is Adhan.
Yeah, it's okay if you want to break. Waiting for Adhan.
Okay,
For
from
everyone.
1 minute.
Yeah, okay.
Wait. Okay, start. Sorry. Okay. Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, I'm start. Quality of human resources, determination of work target, and sustainability of the realization of performance-based budget. Case study on official travel budget in Immigration Division of West Java Region Office. Okay, introduction. This is we know human resources are the most vital organization resources and are recognized as the most valuable asset for business entities or organization, and definitely needed quality human resources based on the spirit of professionalism in handling business in the main key to success for an organization, and is also a value in itself for an organization. And we know no single company has an unlimited budget. So the process of preparing a budget is important in a planning process or an activity plan that is represented in the form of a plan for earning, income, and spending in monetary units. And in order for the organization to be created, the organization need to make a plan. And eventually, budget realization is one indicator that can show the success of a program or policy implemented by the government. And described in the following table. This is, and next, this research did to know budget absorption was not in accordance with the quarterly proportion, so that in the fourth quarter there was a surge in the use of budget funds. Dependence of the implementation of government tests and national development on the quality of human resources, and the preparation of the budget as an integral part of the budget planning is still not in accordance with the realization target but of a quarterly and annual basis. And goes the result research, we want to analyzing the quality of human resources, work targets, and performance-based budget realization within the Immigration Division of the Ministry of Law and Human Rights, West Java Regions Office, analyze the effect of partial work target on the realization of performance-based budget within the Immigration Division of the Ministry, and analysis the test how much employees influence the setting of work target partially has on the realization of performance-based budget with the Immigration Division, analyze and test how much influence the quality of human resource and setting work target simultaneously on the release of performance-based budget within the Immigration Division. Okay. Literature review we use about management, quality management, individual, and financial management. And work target, employee performance target, and performance-based budgeting. And this is a research paradigm about from theory study and plus empirical studies, and we make a thinking framework, and this is describe the following paradigm. And hypothesis, this research, the quality of human resource has a positive effect on a realization of performance-based business travel budget in the Immigration Division of the Ministry of Law and Human Rights, the Region Office of West Java, and implementation of work target has a positive effect on the relation of performance-based business travel budget, and quality of human resource and implementation of work targets have a positive effect on the realization of performance-based business travel budget. And object and research methods we use research place West Java or Regional Office Immigration Division, descriptive and verification, research variable, human resource, work target, and achievement of performance-based budget realization. And there is research method measure research variable by measuring the dimension of research variable, touch parameters, and statistical measurement techniques touch multiple linear regression using a quantitative approach. Data obtained from the square directly touch the research instrument in the form of a closed questionnaire. And in data processing, this study use ordinal data types, which are compared to interval for statistical data processing. The data is obtained by adding up the score of each indicator, which in then processed using a statistical software program, namely SPSS 26 Microsoft Excel and the Successive Internal Methods Program, or AMSE. Okay, and result and discussion and resultnya described in the following table about age, gender, and educational grade, labor duration, and instrument test table R product moment, and then instrument test. This is a reliable variables test, ya, test variable X1, X2, and Y. And then classic assumption tests are asumsi klasik in the bahasa Indonesia. This is hasil uji normalitas, hasil uji multikolenialitas, and heteroscedasticitas the test result. And based on the output of the scar plot above, it can be seen that is not clear pattern, and the point split above and below the number 0 and the y-axis, so it can be concluded that there is not heteroscedasticities. And then linear based on the table above, the multiple linear regression equation is obtained as follow: y 1 x1 plus beta 2x 2 and epsilon. And hypothesis test, simultaneous test testnya. This is partial test t-test. Then conclusion this research. Yeah, 1. The condition of the quality of human resources, the setting of work targets, and the sustainability of the realization of performance-based budget are included in the height criteria. And 2, the quality of human resources partially has a strong influence on the realization of performance-based budget and has a positive relationship, meaning that the higher the quality of human resources, the higher the realization of performance-based budget. And 3, the partial effect of work target on performance-based budget realization shows a strong influence and a positive T relationship, meaning that the higher the work target, the higher and performance-based budget realization. And 4, the quality of human resources and work target have a simultaneous effect on the realization of a performance-based budget of 61.1%, while the remaining 38.9% is influenced by other factors not examined in this study. Okay, this is my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Alhamdulillah, demikian Ibu Dila Novita, saya kembalikan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Ibu Farida. Interesting. We will discuss it furthermore later on after all the presenters present their topics. Now we are going to Ferry Pangestu from Universitas Islam 45 Bekasi. Are you in?
Ya, Ibu, siap.
Okay. Ferry will present quality of work life and perceptions of organizational support on teacher work engagement. Okay, take your time, Ferry. You have 13 minutes for presentation.
Apakah sudah terlihat, Ibu?
Yes.
Yep.
Baik, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat sore Bapak Ibu semuanya, dan juga Ibu Dila selaku chair session di room 2 ini. Mohon maaf apabila saya menggunakan dua bahasa, yakni bahasa Indonesia juga bahasa Inggris.
Okay.
Apabila accents bahasa Inggris saya kurang baik, mohon untuk dimaklumi. Okay. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Ferry Pangestu. I come from Islamic University 45 Bekasi, Psychology Study Program. I would like to present the result of a research paper entitled Quality of Work Life and Perception of Organization Support on Teacher Work Engagement. Along with the name of the author who participates in compiling this paper, yakni ada Ibu Novita Dianifa Prestiana, Bapak Roni Setiawan, Bapak Almarhum Abid Marzuki, Ibu Siti Nur Hidayah, Ibu Luki Purwatini, dan yang terakhir saya sendiri, Ferry Pangestu. Oke, materi yang ingin saya sampaikan yang pertama yaitu ada introduction, ada yang kedua ada literature review, yang ketiga ada research method, yang keempat results, yang kelima conclusion. Oke, yang pertama, bagian pertama yaitu introduction. Latar belakang masalahnya, yakni saya mengutip dari we quote from the following two news, dari dua berita tersebut, yaitu yang pertama kualitas guru pengaruhi kualitas pendidikan di Indonesia. Berikutnya dari sekolah online masih bermasalah. Based on the two report above, we can see that currently the quality of education in Indonesia is still low. In particular, after the COVID-19 pandemic or global pandemic, the government inevitably imposed a distance learning policy, which also indirectly affected the decline in the quality of education in Indonesia. In the current era globalization, education is an important asset in preparing future generation to achieve success. Humans will have good resources if humans are education and vice versa. Currently, in the quality of education in Indonesia is still not good, and there are still many problems in the world of education. In particular, after the COVID-19 pandemic or global pandemic, the government inevitably adopts a distance learning policy, which can also indirectly impact the baseline in the quality of education in Indonesia. Oke, berikutnya, the low quality of education in Indonesia dibuktikan dari Indonesia 2018 PISA results are ranked in the bottom 10 of 78 country in the world. Evidence of the quality of education in Indonesia is still low, including the result of the PISA atau Program for International Student Assessment. In 2018, Indonesia was ranked 10 lowest out of 78 countries. According to a survey from PARTS, Political and Economic Risk Consultant, the quality of education in Indonesia is also in the lowest position, namely ke 12 out of 12 country in Asia. Semenjak itu juga ada diterapkannya learning from home pasca pandemi. Dari tahun 2020 survei dari KPAI contained in 1.700 complaint about ineffective online learning. Whereas according to SIGI, our survey Indonesia, the majority of respondents wanted face-to-face learning immediately. Metode pembelajaran jarak jauh atau learning from home dirasa kurang efektif oleh siswa. Biasanya mereka belajar tatap muka di sekolah, namun kini menjadi virtual tatap muka dari rumah. Hal ini juga dapat menyebabkan siswa tidak memahami materi siswa yang diberikan oleh guru dan juga sering menemukan beberapa kendala seperti kurangnya pemahaman penggunaan media yang digunakan untuk pembelajaran online atau e-learning, kuota internet, jaringan atau perangkat atau laptop yang tidak stabil. Maka dari itu, dibutuhkanlah teacher quality must be improved, atau the problem of the low quality of education in Indonesia certainly cannot be solved by changing the curriculum, changing the minister or directorate general. The quality of education can only be answered by the quality of teacher or teaching staff. If the quality of teacher is not improved, the quality of education will be far behind and nothing will change. Teachers are expected to always bring a spark of hope and imagination while maintaining enthusiasm and love for teaching and learning. In addition to achieve good academic results, teachers also need to have emotionally in their work to feeling someone who feeling enthusiastic, passionate about what they do and is involved in their work, loves their job and is directly motivated by their work, tends to work harder, feel that they are important part of the organization and produces satisfying performance is called work engagement. Oke, teacher apabila memiliki keterikatan kerja, teacher who are engaged or bound by their work will display maximum performance, will at the same time being able to bring about engagement in student so that they are able to influence student in improving their learning achievement. Berdasarkan preliminary interview results, ditemukan problem conclusion. Jadi di antara variabel pertama dari quality of work life, the respondent revolved that working hours called except formal working hours even outside working day teacher were not guaranteed to be off and they called to work outside working hours at any time. Berikutnya dari variabel kedua, perception of organization support, problem construction, the organization is indifferent to the ideas or new ideas of its member and its minimal opportunity for teacher to be involved in formalizing policies that exist in school. Yang kedua, organization then to listen to ideas from other people who hold a certain position. Dan dari variabel work engagement sendiri ditentukan suatu masalah, yakni they felt less enthusiastic and had weak mental resilience when facing difficulties in the teaching and learning process, feel like moving job, and feel disappointed. Formulasi of the problem, rumus masalahnya, dan ini hipotesisnya HA1, HA2, dan HA3-nya. Lalu literature review, teori and aspek yang saya gunakan, yakni menurut dari Toko Zin dalam Aryansa and Kusuma Putri tahun 2013, quality of work life is a condition in which employees' needs are met. They have the opportunity to play a role in determining how they work and they can contribute to the organization. Aspek-aspeknya diantaranya growth and development, participation, physical environment, supervision, salaries and allowances, social relevance, work integration. Berikutnya teori X2-nya dari Rhodes and Eisenberger dalam Mujiashi tahun 2015. Perception of organizational support refer to employees' global belief based on how organization evaluates employee contribution, provide support, and care about employee welfare. Aspek-aspek dari POS-nya, awards to employee contribution, attention or care for the welfare of employees, fairness, superior support, organization, reward, and working condition. Lalu dari teori work engagement, saya mengambil dari Stokely and Baker. Work engagement is a positive thing in carrying out tasks and can provide view relate to work attitudes consisting of energy, dedication, and absorption. Aspek-aspek work engagement diantaranya ada kekuatan atau vigor, pengabdian atau dedication, penghayatan atau absorption. Ini ada penelitian sebelumnya yang dilakukan oleh Indah tahun 2021, the effect of quality of work life and work engagement in Merit Civil Servant atau PNS dalam jurnal Psikopedia. Lalu ada Kumalawati and Aulia tahun 2021 dalam Psychological Wellbeing, Quality of Work Life and Work Engagement of BNPP Employees dalam Journal of Applied and Education Psychology. Lalu ada Nurendra Purnamasari tahun 2017, The Relationship Between Quality of Work Life and Work Engagement in Female Workers dalam jurnal Indigenous Scientific Journal of Psychology. Berikutnya ada metodenya yang dipakai, yaitu research design kuantitatif, research non-eksperimental, the design correlational research. Tempatnya di SMK Negeri 4 Jakarta, Rorotan, Kecamatan Cilincing, North Jakarta City. Research subjeknya 83 teacher at SMK Negeri 4 Jakarta. Terus data collection teknik melalui interview and psychological measurement scale. Teknik samplingnya teknik population study teknik atau teknik studi populasi. Lalu
Mr. Ferry, your time left about 4 minutes. Okay.
Ya, baik Ibu.
Your time remains 4 minutes.
Okay. Data analis teknik, deskriptif statistik, psychological scale yang digunakan yaitu X1 dari skala buatan sendiri, X2-nya modified standard scale dari Rhodes and Eisenberger, lalu Y-nya dari standard scale dari Stokely and Baker. Next. Berikutnya ini hasil dari uji validitas isi dan validitas konstruk, reliability. Ini uji asumsinya. Oke, ini ada hasilnya atau resultnya. Descriptive subject research berdasarkan gender, usia, last education, year of service, employee status, dan descriptive research variable. Oke, ini ada berdasarkan hasilnya. Variable X1 quality of work life with work engagement 0,5339 Spearman correlation-nya, SIG-nya 0,00, hasilnya H1 diterima. The result of this study are in line with the results of Kumalawati, which revealed relationship between the quality of work life and work engagement. Second hipotesisnya dari perception of organization support, eksperimennya hasilnya 0,521, signya 0,00, HA2-nya diterima. The result of this study are aligned with research dari Pertiwi tahun 2019, which reveals that there is relationship between perception organization support and work engagement among employees PT Pelindo 3 Persero Banjarmasin branch. Oke, ini truth hipotesisnya. Influence between quality of work life, perception organization support on work engagement, hasilnya signya 0,000, HA3-nya diterima, yang berarti signifikan. The independent variable contribution to the influence of dependent variable dengan hasil 34,5%, will 65,5% were influenced by other variable not examined. According to research analysis, their results are consistent. The influence test on the third hypothesis, which result in positive and significant influence on the quality of work life and perception organization support on teacher work engagement at SMK Negeri 4 Jakarta.
Sehingga menjadi
Oke.
Oke, Bu.
jadi
Itu saja yang ingin saya sampaikan. Kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Mr. Ferry. Ladies and gentlemen,
Nantinya gimana?
this is the last presenter for this second session. Ibu Yuliana from Universitas Negeri Jakarta will present the influence of emotional intelligence and stress management on leadership effectiveness.
Yes. Thank you. Bismillah.
Take your time, Ibu.
dengan
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Izin share presentation. Sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, window. Yes. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. My name is Yuliana. I'm from Universitas State of Jakarta. I will presentation my research with title is the influence emotional intelligence and stress management in on the effectiveness leadership of school headmaster SMA negeri atau senior high school in KCD Regional 3 Education Department of West Java Province. The abstract principal leadership in improving the quality of education determine the study and achievement, especially in improving the quality of school learning. The most effective leadership in carrying out school program is largely determined by the ability to manage the emotion and stress management of the principal in carrying out of this duties and function. This study aims to determine the effect of emotional intelligence of effectiveness leadership, the effect of stress management on effectiveness leadership, and the effect of emotional intelligence on management stress. This study used a quantity approach drawn survey method with a sample of 66 school principal in the KCD region 3 of the West Java Provincial Education Office. Hypothesis testing use PET analysis techniques, use SPSS. The results show that variable emotional intelligence positively and significantly affect a variable Y, or leadership effectiveness.
carried out in the
Two variable stress management positively and significantly affect a variable Y leadership. The study conclude that there is increase in a leadership effectiveness, strong emotional intelligence, and stress management. Okay, the background introduction. They there are in we now are the 21st century skill persons concept for C skill communication, collaboration, critical thinking, komunikasi, collaboration, and creative ya. It is must student have a skill. Then government make a regulation with PP number 57 2021 with output for SMA or senior high school is focus on knowledge for increased competence,
No, 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 no,
participate,
no, no,
educate,
no, no, no,
so
no,
you
no,
can
no, no.
live
Ada
independent and follow education more
Effendi, ada
continue.
apa ini?
Then the regulation number uh, 6 2018 and Permendikbudristek about Minister of Education and Culture. Then the regulation, the third is number 40 2021 teacher achievement anas hit school. Then other realization is we have Undang-Undang nomor 23 of 2018 Federal Managed Authority of SMA or SMK. Then from this regulation we need who uh, headmaster have a high private leadership effectives to get the output of SMA.
My name is Farida
But
Yafri and I'm from
yeah,
Universitas Negeri PKP Bandung.
hello. Sorry. In the fact, I'm so sorry. Sebentar. In the fact, one, the principle of information technology is still low. Two, discipline of KIMOP application for absent is report is attendance. Then FPTS or research school action research is not great. Then financial control and supervision is not optimal. Five, the value of UKKS or principal competency test is still wrong to national standard. Then the achievement of output according to senior high school output is not optimal. Last, the principal assessment score in the average class in uh, Provinsi Jawa Barat. Then we problem identification is influence factor effectiveness leadership are intelligent emotional, stress management, character, contract, lead, coaching, supervision, competency, personality, and social. This we get from the research we shared. Then we problem limitation is research limit on number of influencing factor effectiveness leadership that is intelligent emotional and management stress. Problem formulation number one is intelligent emotional influential to effectiveness leadership. Two is management stress is influential to effectiveness leadership, and the last is intelligent emotional influence to management stress. Then we construct research purpose. This research basically aim to analyze and find the influence of one intelligent of leadership effectiveness, stress management on leadership effectiveness, and emotional intelligence on stress management. Use of research result. Number one, theoretical benefit as a reference for the development of science as a basic reference for further research, and two, practical benefit for research for school principal for the Department of Education. The research novelty. The research novelty, this research combines the study of two theories from Goldman about emotional intelligence and behavior theory organization. The composition of the different variable on leadership in effectiveness, emotional leaders, emotional intelligence, stress, and variable in this study. There has been no research on school principal at KCD Region 3. This research conduct an empirical model of effectiveness leadership is analyzed together with variable emotional intelligence and stress management. Hypothesis. We have three hypotheses. One is there is influence direct, intelligent, emotional to effectiveness leadership. Two, there is influence direct management stress to effectiveness leadership. And three, there is influence direct, intelligent, emotional to management stress. Then
Ibu Yuliana,
yeah.
your time remains 4 minutes left, okay?
Okay, for chapter 2, we have a literature review where we have synthesis from theory, superiority, effectiveness leadership is synthesis, superiority somebody in taking decision with influence other of risk others together. Then there we have intelligent emotional from research. Uh, Beberapa pendapat ahli, kami menyusun we make synthesis is skill pulsos somebody in manage her emotion in good connection with some else. Then it is a conceptual definition from synthesis. Kemudian operational definition is from conceptual definition, and we instrument guide. The last variable is management stress. We have synthesis, process arrangement somebody in fast condition resource environment for research purpose. Uh, yeah. Then we have framework theoretical. There's it is hypothesis, constellation study, then hypothesis. Uh, three hypotheses, then the last research method. Time and place of research in Kota dan Kabupaten Bekasi, KCD Region 3, Distrik Jawa Barat. Research time is January May 2023. Population and sample. Population is principal of public high school in KCD Region 3. The sample is 66 principal. We use the quantitative research method and survey method. Data collection technique, questionnaire with Likert scale. We instrument of leadership effectiveness, instrument emotional intelligence, and stress management instrument. Data analysis technique, we describe statistical analysis and invariant statistics. The result, they are shown that variable emotional intelligence possibly and significantly affect variable leadership effectiveness. This is with the result then the research that explain emotional intelligence can motivate employee to improve their quality through effective leadership. Variable 2, variable stress management positively and significantly affect variable leadership effectiveness. This research is in line with the result Fiore et al. That explain the role of leadership in improving the ability of employee to manage perceived pressure in the organization. Employee feel effectiveness as a driver to improve performance in the organization. This study concludes that there is an increase in leadership effectiveness through emotional intelligence and stress management. Effective leadership affect employee emotion and pressure with the organization to motivate employee to improve their performance.
Okay, Bu Yuliana,
Okay. Yes.
1 minute more.
Yes.
1 minute more.
Emotional intelligence positively and significant affect variable leadership effectiveness to stress management positively and significantly affect variable leadership effectiveness. And three, emotional intelligence positively and significantly affect variable stress management. This study conclude that there is an increase in leadership effectiveness, strong emotional intelligence, and stress management. Thank you, this introduction and give in the input. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Ibu Yuliana. Ladies and gentlemen, there are 3 presenters for the second session in this second room. Any question? Please address your question to the certain presenter. Silakan Bapak Ibu kalau ada pertanyaan langsung disampaikan kepada siapa? Ada question? Sesama presenter juga boleh bertanya. Okay, because of the recent question again, I will address my question to all the presenters in this second session. To Ibu Farida, Mas Ferry, and Ibu Yuliana, what is the further research of this finding? What is the limitation? What is the limitation of the study, and then what is the further research that can be addressed to the other researcher? Thank you.
Me first.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Mrs. Dilanovita. I try to answer your question. To answer your question. My research, this is in study to analyze and determine partially and simultaneously the quality of human resource and setting work target and the sustainability of achieving performance based budget realization within the Immigration Division of the Ministry of Law and Human Rights West Java Regional Office. And budget ceiling and realization of official travel budget for the Immigration Division of the West Java Region Office to the Ministry of Law and Human Rights for the 2017 to 2021 periods, and this can be seen in the result of observing the highest absorption of the budget in 2018. So that it becomes a challenge to conduct this research, especially because it is carried out is one state institution. So it become a challenge to conduct the research. Okay. This is okay.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Ibu
Mrs.
Farida.
Dilanovita.
The next other presenter, Mas Ferry or Ibu Yuliana, keterbatasan studinya dan rekomendasi untuk penelitian berikutnya bagaimana?
Mr. Ferry dulu.
Silakan Ibu dulu.
Thank you, Ms. Dira. Keterbatasannya adalah the respondent, the principal, is difficult to apa ya, jujur ya, apa sih, dengan serius mengisi the instrument. Mereka takut untuk dinilai. Jadi saya harus meyakinkan mereka bahwa ini hanya untuk penelitian, bukan untuk penilaian kerja. Karena di instrumen itu tidak ada nama, hanya saya kasih instrumen 1, 2 number ya. Baru mereka mau mengisi itu. Jadi makanya ketika pengujian instrumen saya 2 kali, satu yang pra ya, dan yang kedua seperti itu. Kendalanya itu seperti, dan untuk ke depan penelitian ini mungkin untuk emotional intelligence akan lebih bagus kalau menggunakan alat yang sah mahal, dan harus ada kesediaan kepala sekolah untuk mengisi instrumen itu, karena itu perlu didukung oleh kebijakan dari dinas dan biaya yang besar seperti itu. Nah, tapi ini perlu ditindaklanjuti seperti itu.
Thank you, Ibu Yuliana. Interesting. Next, Mas Ferry.
Oke, Ibu. Kalau dari keterbatasan penelitian ini, menurut saya yaitu pertama jarak tempuh dari tempat lokasi itu cukup lumayan jauh, terus juga responden juga sama kurang lebih tidak kooperatif, juga maksudnya lama dalam pengumpulan data, terus sama untuk penelitian berikutnya mungkin lebih tepatnya ini kan saya meneliti keseluruhan gitu Bu, keseluruhan di satu sekolah saja, namun untuk penelitian berikutnya lebih baik diteliti hanya untuk misalnya dibagi di misalnya PNS saja dan non PNS saja gitu, dan juga bisa mencakup seluruh nggak cuma di satu sekolah saja di Jakarta, misalnya di berbagai sekolah di Jakarta mana gitu. Itu saja sih Bu.
Okay. For the research, rekomendasi untuk penelitian berikutnya, Mas Ferry?
Yang tadi saya bilang Bu, untuk rekomendasi, maksudnya rekomendasi yang
penelitian berikutnya?
Iya, penelitian berikutnya untuk rekomendasi penelitian berikutnya yang tadi saya bilang mungkin subjeknya lebih diperluas, nggak cuma di satu sekolah saja, dan mungkin kan saya mengambil keseluruhan subjek di tempat ini, nanti bisa diteliti untuk subjek PNS saja atau non PNS saja gitu, jadi lebih terlihat keterikatan kerjanya seperti itu saja sih Bu.
Okay, so the method, you recommend the method for the research ya?
Metode untuk berikutnya sama sih Bu, mungkin kualitatif juga bisa, atau kualitatif juga sepertinya bisa, untuk jadi lebih diwawancara lebih dalam, lebih bisa digunakan.
Yep, this part of the research methodology. Thank you, Mas Ferry. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now we are at the end of this session. Thank you for the awesome presentation and for the participation and for the answer from my questions. Before we go to end this meeting, let's take a picture together. Ada yang bisa membantu? Mohon maaf karena saya pakai. Mungkin ya Mbak Sari atau siapa?
Boleh Bu, saya
take a picture.
Yep.
Okay.
Would you mind to help us, because I'm using my handphone, that's why I couldn't
Okay, take a picture.
take a
Start.
picture.
Okay. 1,
Okay.
2,
1, 2,
2, 3. Okay. Finish.
more. One more.
One more. Okay, okay. Just for a minute, bentar di save dulu aja ya, biar nggak hilang ya sebentar, biar nanti bisa di share gampang.
Saya share ya.
And then back 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Thank you, Ibu. Thank you for all the participants. Now we
Thank
are at the
you.
end of the session. Thank you for attending this conference. Hope to see you for the next conference, and hope we can collaborate for the further research. Thank you. I close this meeting by reciting Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Thank you, Miss Dila Novita.
Thank you, Ibu.
Miss Dila.
Assalamualaikum
Thank you for
warahmatullahi
all.
wabarakatuh. See you
Assalamualaikum
in the
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next.
Waalaikumsalam
Bye.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam.
wabarakatuh. Terima kasih Bapak Ibu.
Thank you, moderator.
Terima kasih
Assalamualaikum.
Kita
Bapak.
balik lagi ke room utama nggak, Bu?
Live langsung nggak Bapak Ibu? Kita nggak
Langsung aja. Nggak usah balik lagi ya.
pengumuman di grup WhatsApp diinformasikan oleh
Oke.
panitia.
Baik, terima kasih
Terima
Bu.
kasih, Bu. Semuanya terima kasih.
Assalamualaikum.
Baik, terima kasih. See you next time.
Bye.
Assalamualaikum.